Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about what are secured and unsecured debts in bankruptcy in Minneapolis, Minnesota. You know, people get confused by this. And of course, an unsecured debt is a credit card, is a medical bill. It's a debt that's not tied to an asset. It's not tied to collateral, right? You don't go to the medical clinic and go, look, I'm going to put up my Harley Davidson for this copay. I mean, you don't do that, right? Whereas a secured debt is, look, we're going to lend you money to buy the Harley Davidson, but the Harley is going to be collateral on this loan. Excuse me. Similarly, we're going to lend you money to buy the house, but the house is going to be collateral on our loan. You don't pay it, we take the house. And so people will get confused because when they file a bankruptcy, they'll say, well, I don't want to lose my car, or I don't want to lose my house, so I don't want to list it. No. You have to list everything. Your full disclosure. At Chapter 13 bankruptcy, it's about full disclosure. At Chapter 7 or 13 bankruptcy, it's about full disclosure. You have to list and disclose everything. And it is not uncommon for people who file bankruptcy to want to keep their house, of course, and their vehicles. It happens all the time. And you just simply continue to make payments on them, right? So it gets confusing because your liability for the underlying loan goes away. You're not liable on the car loan anymore. They can't sue you. It doesn't show up on your credit. It doesn't show up on, but if you want to keep the vehicle, you've got to keep making payments on it, or the bank always has their state court remedies, which in part is to repossess the vehicle, take their collateral back. When the time is right, when you are ready to get your life back and move beyond the nightmare of debt and living in the past, reach out to Lifeback Law Firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.